Very helpful, Panama. I like to watch a video from you or someone I feel I can trust. Yeah, keep watching.
Thank you. Keep
What's in
watching.
your notary bag? Kenya, I'm gonna refer you to my video about what's in your notary bag. What's in my notary bag? Because that could be a lot. You got your basics, so your stamps, boards and clipboards and stuff like that. Okay. The conference was
2022 level up. 2022 level up.
That was by Lori.
It was very good.
House on Tuesdays.
Yeah. I think it's $24.99 or something.
Yeah, you can buy the replay.
But it's worth it. I think it's worth it.
Yeah, and let's see here. We're gonna keep on going. Somebody else was interested in Ron because you could do 24 hours. Okay, Bill Soroka. Yeah, Bill Soroka was on there. Laura Buer. I was on there. It was amazing.
It was amazing.
You can serve as a witness. You still get paid. Yeah, true. I always say take those witness jobs. $25 when you first get started. And do you need experience? We're going to try to start shutting it down. I think we're wrapping up too. Anyone in Augusta? What's the price of the notary course? Both courses right now are $129, and they're each 3 hours long. And that's on notaryeducatorsllc.com. I love this. I have so many questions. Thank you. Oh, Val, it was our pleasure. Hey, Trevor, I talked to you earlier today. Andrea, Lewis. Hey, Miranda. Jessica, not the dogs girl. You already know. E&O, really quick. Let's talk about the E&O insurance.
All you need is $25,000. That's it.
And that protects you as a notary.
Right.
That protects you as a notary while you're out there, okay? The E&O insurance. So don't start stamping papers. You would not drive a car without auto insurance. You are not stamping papers without E&O. And let's see. I don't know what Lois is saying. I think that might be private. Okay, yeah, let's keep going really quick. We're going to start wrapping up. Do you need a license? We kind of talked about that.
You can look at the replay. Kim's going to replay it.
Yeah, Tallahassee. Let's see. Okay, guys. Looks like the EIN number and the LLC, again, is not required. I have videos on that I just put out. Check under the business structure on my page. And we already talked about it, but you do not need that to get started. Eventually, yes. Do your witnesses have to be notaries? No, we talked about that. Do you notarize a lot of revocations of POAs? Not a lot. No, but it's just a document. Again, don't get caught up in titles. A document is a document. It's all paper, guys. You just need to know what to do with the paper. So don't get caught up in what kind of paper it is.
And Georgia is not a run state.
No, we are not. Let's see. Would you say Notary Essentials through the NNA? Oh, yes, Cassandra. Yes, I love the Notary Essential course. That's perfect. I recommend anything NNA. Where do you get the omissions insurance? Yep, NNA. Thanks, Lynette. She enjoyed it. Lynette. And let's see, we are almost there, right? Yep, we at the end. We answered every question. And one more. The last one is, what do you think about offering immigration forms? So, Zandres, I know there's a class through the NNA. You can take that class if you want to get into immigration documents. I personally have not taken that. And for myself, my business structure is I do not prepare documents and then notarize them. I want to keep a little measure of distance there, conflict of interest for myself. Now, if you're trained to do that and you can add it to your business, I say go for it. But I personally do not. I can prepare, but I don't. So we're going to wrap up. Angela, any concluding remarks you have?
No, but thank you guys so much. We really enjoyed answering your questions. We thank you guys for being here. And we hope that you learned, something that will help your business.
Yeah. So we plan to do this every Monday for the month of January. This is just a test run. If it goes well, we'll do it every Monday. And 8 o'clock seemed to be the best time for everyone. And I thank you guys for supporting me on my channel, supporting Notary Educators, as well as I have loved getting your comments and your reviews and different things I need to do differently, video ideas. So I have really, really loved doing a YouTube channel. So this was our first live. I think it went amazing.
Yeah. Thank you guys for coming.
Yes. So
I don't have a YouTube channel because Kim is the YouTube queen, but I do have an IG on AJ _ mobile _ notary. And Alexis also has a YouTube.
Yeah. So check out Alexis. And then I'll You can see all of that in our notes in the comment section later. Okay. Thank you again, Tim, for being here, and everybody.
Yeah,
We
thank you,
appreciate it.
Tim.
Yeah, Yolanda too. We appreciate all of you guys. Agatha, my mother-in-law, my mommy is downstairs. Jeffrey, everybody. It's been our pleasure, guys. And again, every Monday we are here to grow your business. And guess what? It's not that complicated.
It's really not. And you don't
All
need to be
right.
mentored forever.
And you don't need to be mentoring forever. Well, we'll see you guys next Monday, 8
Bye-bye.
o'clock. Bye.